In this video, we'll show you what to do if you can't seem to open Steam on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select Task Manager from the list. Now in the Task Manager window, you'll need to find Steam on the list. Now simply right click it and then select End Task. If you don't see Steam on the list, you can also search for it. Once you see it, simply right click on each of the Steam entry and then select End Task. Once Steam is completely closed, simply right click on the start icon again and this time select Run. Now in here you will need to type in %local app data % and then hit enter. Now in the File Explorer window, locate the Steam folder and then click on this trash icon. Now right click on the start icon again and then this time select Run again. Now this time you'll need to type this particular command, that is steam flush config, and then hit enter. Once you have done this, try opening Steam again and it should then work as expected. However, if nothing else works, you will need to remove any external devices from your PC or laptop. For instance, a lot of users reported experiencing problems with Steam when they are using external monitors. So if you are using one, simply try unplugging it for a moment and then see if it works. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.